Okay, this month in WordPress, we are looking at how to do tables. You may want to do tables in your newsletter area. Last month, we actually talked about how to link your newsletters, and you could simply put them in here and list them all down there. But let me see if I have a table in here. Kind of like this. Maybe you'd want to do a table for links that you like or other reasons. Maybe you want to organize your pictures with a table. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and we'll use the newsletters tab. So let me go back. We have to get into the edit area, into the dashboard. And I was several clicks deep in here, so I think we're going to be there now. So we're going to add a table. Very simple to use, great for doing links and other items. So I'm going to go to a page. I'm going to click on pages here, or I could go to the left and click on pages. And I'm going to go to my newsletter page and throw a table on there to show you how it might look. So here's newsletters. I can click on edit here or newsletters. I'm just going to click on newsletters. And when it comes up, there's my newsletters page. And I'm going to click on the table right here. Now, if this doesn't show up, you may have to click on this little paint tray. It looks like it says show hide kitchen sink because it may be on a row that's not showing. So you may have to click on that. So I'm going to insert table. Now, if I want the lines to show, I'm going to use the border and the cell spacing and padding to make the lines show in between and to give a little padding in between. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and I'm not going to do anything with that and say insert. There it is. Now I click on it, make it larger, and click off it here. And I could have a heading. Maybe these are going to be math links. Maybe these are going to be science. So these might be the headings. So I'm going to highlight those, put them in bold, maybe do a different font size, and I'm going to click on the center tab. Now down below, I could put my links, or I could put newsletters, or whatever I'm going to do. But so maybe this is a for facts, math facts, and this is about snakes, maybe. And of course, I would find the link, for snakes or whatever the case may be. I'll just see if I can find one here. Snakes of North America. Let's pretend I like this link right here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back. I'm going to highlight the word snakes. I'm going to click on the chain link. Right click and paste. I always like to do a new blank window, pop-up window, insert. I'm also going to center that. And I would do the same for this. I'm just going to center that. Let's say I want a new row. I just use one of these now. Insert row after. If I want a new column, maybe I have another topic. Let's see here which one. Insert column after. So I could have a new column for another topic. And then simply update. Show you what this looks like in the real world. And I always like to, instead of doing view page, I always come up here to make sure I know what it's going to look like. Go under newsletters, and I would probably highlight those and make them blue so they know they're linked. But click on snakes. There's my pop-up or blank window. It goes to the snakes website eventually, and once it gets there, I look at it, get my information, and of course I'm just going to go ahead and close it now. And then they're right back to get more links. So give it a try. Tables are a great tool to use.